Karakasa Creations presents Monchan's Hiragana Practice Book. Lesson 4. TACHITSUTETO. Let's take a look at each character. TACHITSUTETO. One more. TACHITSUTETO. And now let's practice together. Get ready. Chi te tsu to ta. Awesome job! You're ready to write today's characters in your book. Well done! And that's it for today's lesson. If you don't have the book yet, don't worry. You can grab your copy of Monchan's Hiragana Practice Book on Amazon to keep learning with Monchan and his friends. The link is in the description. See you in the next lesson. じゃあね。